How to create Google Drive link to share files. Hello everyone, and let's get started. On today's video, we'll be talking about how to create shareable folders. For this, first of all, open any of your browser and open the Google Drive. Once that is done, let's start with creating a new folder. For that, tap on New and then on New Folder. Name it and then tap on Create button. Now that the folder has been created, tap Open it. Once that is done, you will see different options. Now you have to click on this icon right next to its name of your folder, and then you can see different types of options. Click on Share and then on Copy link. However, if you try to open it right now from another account, you cannot do it. So to make that possible, click on Share button and then change the restriction type of the link from restricted to anyone with the link. You can even choose if the access is of a viewer, commenter or editor. After this, if you copy link and send, you can easily do it. You can also add the email of the person who you want to give the access, and this way you have created a shareable folder. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.